Thank you, Lord. You are there yet. 3 of them out of the 13 original. Original blooms. Oh dear. Oh, thank you are also free there. Wildflower. I wish well. Still hang there. Tagal niya matumba. Malaya. Hello. Wild. What you call you? Kalichuchi. Okay, going to the bakery. Find a cake. Chiffon cake. Good morning. Good morning, Jesus. Oh, gloomy. I'll walk faster. I'm really very hungry. When to buy kubo. Walking with Jesus. Walking all the way. Oh, meron siya dito. What you call this? Spider flowers. Very nice. Wala naman doon sa bahay. Ano, maluwag na. Malaki-laking lagyan yan. Walking with Jesus. Walking all the way. Along the way. Walking with Jesus. Da, 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 da. Hello, doggy. Is it a dog or is it a doggy? My eyes are not very clear now. Can't identify that far anymore. Walk, walk fast, 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 fast. This is my early morning exercise. Fast, 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 fast. Hingal na ako. Rinig niyo ba yung ano ko? Yung aking pinakulit ko yung parang pagkain dito. Ay, slice lang. Walang chiffon dito. Titignan natin kay David. Pagkada rito. Na bakery. Walk, 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 walk. Dito sa yung baka. Yung day. Ring. Pangalan na. Dari. Deka. Deka. Ay, wala ka. Mayroon. Very good. Dahil chiffon cake. Chiffon cake. Ito na may ano, may choco.
Cake marble?
Oo. Magkano yan? 1?
125.
5 lang ang ano. 5 lang ang patong. Okay.